Hello, Jason here, and in today's video I'm going to be answering the question, what are septic tank soakaway crates? So what are septic tank soakaway crates? Are they legal? Are they illegal? Why is there so much misinformation about septic tank soakaway crates on the internet? Well, in the next few minutes I'm going to answer all those questions for you. So let's get straight into this. So what are septic tank soakaway crates? Well, basically, they're an alternative to herringbone soakaways and soakaway pits. What do I mean by herringbone soakaways and soakaway pits? Well, let me show you. Here's a typical example of a herringbone soakaway. It's a big pit, and as you can see, it's full of pipes, it's full of gravel, it's got inspection chambers in there. So that's what a herringbone soakaway looks like. A soakaway pit is basically just what it says. It's a pit or a hole in the ground dug by a digger, or in this instance dug by hand, and then builders normally fill them with broken tiles or bricks or bicycles. Septic tank soakaway crates are basically look like milk crates, and they fit in a rectangular or square formation together, and again they just go into a little pit in the ground. So the next question, I suppose, is, are septic tank soakaway crates legal? Well, there's a lot of confusion and misinformation on the internet, which I just wanted to clear up. So why is there a lot of confusion and misinformation on the internet? Well, it boils down to ignorance, bias, and sales pitches. So let me give you an example of this. If I go onto Google now, if I go onto the internet, right, if you type in septic tank soakaway crates, you get lots of different sites up. But let's go to this site here, WTE Limited, for example. Now, if we go on to here, they've got a section here on soakaway crates, and it says here, incorrect soakaway crate that is designed for use in a rainwater soakaway. These are not allowed for septic tank and sewage treatment plant soakaways, only for rainwater. And they go on and on about it. And then at the bottom, it's like, beware of cowboy traders who try and sell these soakaway crates for foul drainage. Call trading standards, call the police. So this is one example of misinformation on the internet. Why so? Well, basically, septic tank soakaway crates are 100% legal, right? They're not only approved by UK building regs, they're also approved by the Environmental Agency. So let me clear up the misunderstanding that arises. It's basically really simple. There's two types of soakaway crates you can buy in the UK market, right? There are septic tank soakaway crates and there are rainwater soakaway crates. So this is the law as it stands. Rainwater soakaway crates cannot be used for sewage or septic tanks. That's pretty simple, isn't it? Rainwater crates can't be used for sewage or septic tanks or sewage effluent. Septic tank soakaway crates cannot be used for rainwater soakaways. They can only be used for septic tanks and sewage effluent. And that's where the misunderstanding comes from. People think when they hear the word soakaway crates, oh man, they get them confused because there's two different types. So people think, correctly so, it is illegal to use rainwater crates for septic tank soakaways and vice versa. But if you stick within the law and just get septic tank soakaway crates for septic tanks and rainwater soakaway crates for rainwater soakaways, you're fully legal and everything's fine. So hopefully that's simplified that and we've cut through the flack there and cleared things up. So how do you install septic tank soakaway crates? Well, let me show you. Right, so here we've got a septic tank here, and we've got a hole here on the right ready for the soakaway. So let me zoom into this hole here for you now. Look at that. Banana. All right. So basically, all that you do is buy your septic tank soakaway crates and you put them into the hole. So the first one goes in, and then the pipe, which comes from the inspection chamber. Let me just zoom around so I can show you there. So that comes from the inspection chamber, and that goes straight into the soakaway crate there. Septic tank soakaway crate. So once you've put the first crate in, it's really simple. You then just put the other septic tank Soakaway crates in, just like so. And then put another one in, another one in, and another one in. It's as simple as that. How easy is that? These are amazing, this invention created by the Germans. And when you've done that, you cover everything over with membrane. Boom, just like that. Now, the membrane, as you can see there, can go under the crates, or it can just go over the sides and over the top. Personally, I prefer putting them just around the sides and over the top. Why? Because you can put the membrane under the crates, but the membrane is primarily designed to stop the soil going into the crates. So soil can't come back up, can't defy the law of gravity and come back up from, you know, the ground up. It can only come down into the crates. So just a tip for you, if you're putting septic tank Soakaway crates in, there's no need to bother with the Soakaway with the membrane underneath. Just put it on the top and over the crates. But once you've done that, that is pretty much it. You basically, your Soakaway is done and it's ready to go. And it takes literally, oh man, what, 40 minutes, 50 minutes to dig the hole and put the septic tank Soakaway crates in. So in conclusion, right, septic tank Soakaway crates are 100% legal, right? Septic tank Soakaway crates can only be used with septic tank Soakaways, right? Not rainwater, right? And septic tank Soakaway crates are 100% compliant with UK building regs and the Environmental Agency. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. If you'd like any more free help and advice, then just go to septictank.co.uk. There's loads of videos there offering free help and information like this video you've just watched. Or if you go on to Google and type in Septic Tank TV, you can see my Septic Tank TV channel there, again with loads of free videos, offering lots of free help and advice. And if you subscribe to my Septic Tank TV channel, you can be in with a chance to win a free septic tank and Soakaway kit. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. You take care, and I'll speak to you soon. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.